WITSON.
This is car multimedia player for LANCIA YPSILON 2012-2020, developed and produced by WITSON Company. The product has a large number of users in Europe and America. This product have many functions through the Android system as the underlying program. Memory from 16GB to 1 to 8GB VR. IT of choices, support Wi-Fi and 4G functions. Interface UI can be downloaded online. There are up to 50 kinds of options. The radio part contains RDS function. Bluetooth can answer calls and play Bluetooth music. CarPlay function can support wireless and wired functions, and it also contains Android Auto function. Navigation can support online and offline navigation such as Google Maps, iGeo Map, etc. The display of the screen is very clear, and can achieve split screen display, such as listening to the radio and watching the navigation map at the same time. In addition, there are reverse display, button light, multi-color selection, multi-channel USB and other functions. It will bring a different experience to your journey.